In today's video, we're gonna make gluten-free Uncrustables. So easy, you can pack a bunch ahead of time, stick them in the freezer. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas and my family's favorite recipes. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. I've already shared on my channel how I make Uncrustables with traditional bread, and I know a lot of you use gluten-free bread, and so I've gone ahead and tested every gluten-free bread that I could find around my area, as you can see, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to making sure that they stay sealed and well until lunch. So today I'm just using one brand of gluten-free bread that my store had around me. If you want more details on how the one that you use, check that link right below this video. I have a full review on which ones work best. I know a lot of gluten-free breads come frozen, so you'll definitely want to thaw out the bread if it's frozen to make the Uncrustables. I'm using a sandwich crimper. It not only cuts the bread, but it also seals the edges, which can be tough when you're using gluten-free bread because oftentimes the gluten-free bread is not as big as the crimper. But don't worry, I'm going to teach you all my tricks for that. So on your board, you're gonna line up as many pieces of gluten-free bread, as many Uncrustables that you wanna make at once because they freeze great. And then you're gonna grab your favorite peanut butter, whichever one that you use, or a nut-free alternative. And one trick with this is to place the peanut butter in the middle of your bread because you're gonna cut out the crusts. So you need to make sure that all of the filling stays in the middle. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some jelly, also in the middle of the whole stack. You're still getting the same amount that you'd normally put in a sandwich, but just all in the middle. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. So just like making a peanut butter sandwich, we're gonna close our sandwich. Even if your bread is a little bit smaller than the crimper, you still wanna line it up as best as you can to the middle of your gluten-free bread. And you want to first press it down to cut through both slices of bread. And once you cut it, give it a good shake and it goes through the bread onto your board. Then you can use that sealer end and press it down so the edges close. And then you push it away. Sometimes you'll see small cracks on the top like this. It's no problem. All gluten-free breads are crumbly. They're a little drier, so it's totally normal. Now, of course, if you're making a bunch of these and you want to freeze them for school, you can just grab a zip bag and take your gluten-free Uncrustable and place it inside, seal it, and then stick it in the freezer, and it can stay there frozen. Oh, and if you're home and you want to take this gluten-free Uncrustable to the next level, make sure to check my air fryer Uncrustables video so you can toast it, make the peanut butter gooey, melty, delicious, those golden, crispy edges that you love. So next level. And that, my friends, is how you make gluten-free Uncrustables. Make sure to check the links below the description box so you can check out which breads work best. See you next time.